What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beach wagons on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Uyittour Beach Wagon. The Uyittour collapsible wagon cart is made for people who need to carry large items outdoors. It has a strong alloy steel frame combined with durable 600 denier Oxford fabric, which helps support heavy loads while staying steady. The black design gives it a clean and simple look, making it useful for various outdoor plans like beach outings, sports events, gardening, or grocery transport. Its wide wheels are built to move across different outdoor surfaces such as grass, gravel, and paved walkways. The material used for the wheels helps improve movement across rough areas like roots or small rocks. While this cart performs well on many surfaces, it may not roll smoothly on soft sand. It can hold up to 140 liters of supplies, which reduces the need to make multiple trips. The large storage space can fit coolers, folded chairs, food bags, or tools with ease. It helps make travel between vehicles and locations like campsites or picnic areas more convenient. This allows users to organize their gear in one place without overloading their hands. This foldable cart stores easily when not in use. With a few steps, the cart folds down into a compact size and fits in places like car trunks, closets, or garage corners. A foldable handle adds to ease of carrying and storage, while the locking wheels help keep it still on uneven ground. Extra pockets on the outside can hold smaller items like water bottles or tools. The sides expand to allow for larger gear. The handle can stand upright without needing to be held down, which adds to comfort while pulling. For outdoor plans that need heavy hauling, this cart helps carry more items while taking up less effort and space. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hikevent Beach Wagons. A Hikevent collapsible wagon cart is built for outdoor use and large capacity hauling. It supports up to 460 pounds of weight, making it suitable for carrying camping supplies, sports gear, groceries, or gardening tools. The frame is made from strong alloy steel and paired with thick 600 denier Oxford fabric that holds up well during regular use. This fabric is resistant to water, scratches, and wear, helping protect your items while on the move. When opened, the cart offers up to 220 liters of space, allowing for bulk transport in one trip. Once folded, the size becomes compact, reducing storage volume and making it easy to keep in a car trunk or closet without taking up much room. The folding process is designed to be simple and quick, which helps when packing for trips or unloading after use. This wagon has 4 large all-terrain wheels that are 7 by 4 inches wide. These wheels move smoothly across different surfaces including grass, dirt, gravel, and hard sand. 2 front wheels rotate in full circles and have built-in brakes, helping control movement and keeping the cart steady when parked. The steering system has a stable design that makes the cart easier to guide without swaying. The adjustable handle can be set to suit different users and rebounds back into place when released. This helps avoid bending and improves comfort during use. A side pocket, mesh cup holders, and a storage cover come with the wagon, adding room for smaller items like drinks or personal belongings. Designed for ease and strength, this cart supports heavy loads while staying compact when folded. It helps people transport supplies more efficiently, whether for shopping, traveling, outdoor events, or organizing equipment for daily use. In our list, the number 3 product name is Old Bahama Bay Beach Wagon. The Old Bahama Bay Extra Long Beach Wagon is designed for outdoor use where strength, space, and movement matter most. Built with a strong alloy steel frame and colorful blue turtle design, it adds both function and style to trips at the beach, campsite, or garden. Its extended length supports longer gear, such as fishing rods, foldable chairs, or camping supplies. The open tailgate allows space for oversized items that may not fit in standard wagons. With a tested load limit of 300 pounds static and 550 pounds dynamic, the cart handles a variety of hauling needs. It works well for carrying coolers, sports equipment, pet supplies, or picnic bags. On soft sand, lighter loads help improve mobility and reduce effort. The vibrant color pattern also makes this cart easy to spot in busy outdoor spaces. It folds down for storage and travel, fitting into compact areas such as closets or car trunks. A collapsible frame helps pack and unpack quickly without complex steps. The structure is steady enough for everyday use across grass, gravel, boardwalks, or sandy paths. The front wheels include a brake system for better control on uneven ground. This helps keep the cart still when parked, especially on slopes or near water. The handle adjusts in length to support users of different heights, making it more comfortable to pull across long distances. Side pockets and built-in cup holders offer places to store small items like snacks, drinks, sunscreen, or tools. These extra features help organize your gear and make everything easier to reach. Whether carrying supplies for a beach trip, outdoor event, or gardening work, this wagon supports both heavy lifting and ease of use with a design made for active days outside. In our list, the number 4 product name is Portal Beach Wagon Cart. The Portal heavy-duty folding wagon cart is built to handle various outdoor and everyday transport needs. With a strong frame made from steel and rubber components, this utility cart supports a static load of up to 450 pounds. Whether you are heading to the beach, garden, or grocery store, it helps move gear, tools, or bags more efficiently. The cart is designed with wide all-terrain wheels that work well on surfaces like sand, cement, rubber flooring, and grass. These wheels help the cart roll smoothly, even when carrying heavier items. The front wheels rotate fully, allowing easier turning and better control while moving across different locations. The telescoping handle extends for a better grip and adjusts backward or forward for comfort. This makes it useful for people of different heights and ideal for activities like laundry, sports, or camping trips. Its flexible design helps reduce the number of trips needed to carry all your essentials. The cart uses 600 denier Oxford fabric that stands up to regular use. A mesh bottom allows for easy cleaning after being used on sandy or muddy ground. 2 cup holders near the handle give space for drinks or smaller personal items, keeping them within reach at all times. When not in use, the structure folds into a compact shape, making it simple to store in tight areas like closets or vehicle trunks. It sets up by pressing the base and folds down just as easily without taking up much space. This portable wagon supports travel, shopping, outdoor work, or relaxation at the park. Its mix of strength, space, and flexibility makes it a helpful choice for people who want to carry supplies or equipment without effort on various types of ground and in different settings. In our list, the number 5 product name is Socio Beach Foldable Wagon. The Socio Collapsible Wagon Cart offers a smart way to carry daily essentials with less effort. Built with a strong alloy steel frame and covered in 600 denier Oxford fabric, it supports loads up to 220 pounds. This folding utility cart is compact, light to handle, and made for different activities such as gardening, sports, shopping, or weekend outings. Its structure folds flat when not in use, making storage simple in closets or vehicle trunks. When open, it holds enough space to manage bags, gear, tools, or picnic items. The fabric is water-resistant and easy to clean after outdoor use. The material keeps items protected during travel, while the compact form makes setup and storage quick. 4 sturdy wheels, including 2 rotating in full circles, give the cart smooth motion over grass, concrete, or gravel. This helps during long walks at markets, parks, or while moving between parking areas and campsites. It offers both function and ease, helping reduce the number of trips when moving supplies. The built-in handle adjusts for comfort while pulling. At only 11 pounds, it can be lifted or moved by people of different ages. This lightweight design supports use during errands or travel, where carrying bulkier equipment by hand may not be practical. The wagon's sleek black color gives it a modern look for outdoor settings or city use. Cup holders and side storage offer spots to place drinks or small items, helping users stay organized while moving. With its space-saving build and reliable design, this folding cart gives an easier way to transport belongings across different settings without strain or mess. It suits both daily routines and casual outdoor plans while adding a bit of style to any task.